In this video, we will be learning how to download Fruit Ninja on your PC. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Open a web browser and first, download an Android emulator on your PC. You can download any Android emulator of your choice, but in today's video, I'm showing you how to download the BlueStacks Android emulator. Open up a web browser and type in bluestacks.com and press enter on your keyboard. From the official website of BlueStacks, look for the version of BlueStacks you would like to download and install. There are different versions of BlueStacks available. Simply pick the version that is suitable for your device and click on the download links available, and make sure to download and install the Android emulator. Once you've installed the emulator, simply double click on it and launch it open. Wait until your BlueStacks Android emulator launches open and then open up the app player function. In order to go ahead and download the game from your Android emulator, you will also need to log in with your Google account. Make sure you have a Google account and make sure that you remember your credentials for Google account. Simply go ahead and sign in with your Google account's email and then type in your password for your Google account. After you are signed into your account, you can then go to the search box and type in Fruit Ninja. Look for the Fruit Ninja application you are looking for. Since there are different versions of Fruit Ninja application available, simply go to the search result and look for this application that says Fruit Ninja from Half Brick Studios and click on install. Now wait until the application is downloaded and installed, which will take several minutes. And then once the application is done with the installation, you will be able to find the app on your BlueStacks homepage. You can visit your BlueStacks Android emulator and launch open Fruit Ninja anytime you want from the main homepage. So that is how you can easily download and install Fruit Ninja on your PC in just a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.